Chapter 3. Subtraction. Subtracting 4-digit numbers without borrowing.
Do you know the subtraction of 4-digit numbers without borrowing?
Yes, it is same as subtraction of 3-digit numbers. Always write the bigger number on the top and start subtraction from the rightmost place.
Can you subtract 6,222 from 8,576?
Yes. Write the numbers in their respective columns. First, subtract the ones. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Next, subtract the tens. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Next, subtract the hundreds. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Finally, subtract the thousands. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Thus, the difference is 2,354. Subtracting 4-digit numbers with borrowing.
How we can subtract 4-digit numbers with borrowing?
Let's subtract 5,864 from 7,652.
First, subtract the ones. We cannot subtract 4 ones from 2 ones. So, borrow 110. 110 plus 2 ones is equal to 12 ones. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8 ones. Write 8 under ones column. Subtract the tens. We are left with 4 tens and we cannot subtract 6 tens from 4 tens. So, borrow 100. 100 plus 4 tens is equal to 14 tens. 14 minus 6 is equal to 8 tens. Write 8 under tens column. Subtract the hundreds. We are left with 5 hundreds. We cannot subtract 8 hundreds from 5 hundreds. So, borrow 1,000. 1,000 plus 5 hundreds is equal to 15 hundreds. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7 hundreds. Write 7 under hundreds column. Subtract the thousands. We are left with 6 thousands. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1,000. Write 1,000s column. Thus, the difference is 1,788.
Properties of subtraction. Subtracting 0. When we subtract 0 from a number, we get the difference as the number itself. For example, 4,539 minus 0 is equal to 4,539. Subtracting 1. When we subtract 1 from a number, we get the difference as the previous number or predecessor. For example, 2,268 minus 1 is equal to 2,267, which is predecessor of 2,268. Subtracting number from itself. When a number is subtracting from itself, the difference is 0. For example, 4,529 minus 4,529 is equal to 0. Now, tell, can you subtract 3,268 from 1,236? No, you can't, because subtraction of a greater number from a smaller number is not possible. Estimating the difference.
Let's see the following example. Example. Estimate the difference 523 minus 189 to the nearest hundred. Solution. 5 hundreds, 2 tens, 3 ones minus 1 hundreds, 8 tens, 9 ones. 500 minus 200 is equal to 300.
If you don't need an exact answer, you can estimate by rounding numbers. 523 is nearer to 500 and 189 is nearer to 200.
Now, the difference of 500 and 200 is equal to 300. Or, we can say that the estimated difference of 523 and 189 is equal to 300. Mixed problems.
Addition and subtraction together. If addition and subtraction are given together, we always add first and then subtract. For example, to solve 3210 plus 1546 minus 540. First we add 3210 and 1546. 3210 plus 1546 is equal to 4756. Now subtract 540 from 4756. 4756 minus 540 is equal to 4216.
Statement sums. Example. In a village, there are 2,560 children. 890 of them are aged above 5 years. How many children are below 5 years of age? Solution. Children in the village is equal to 2,560. Children above 5 years is equal to 890. Children below 5 years, 2,560 minus 890 is equal to 1,670. Thus, there are 1,670 children below 5 years of age. Framing statement sums. You have solved many problems. Let's do something different now. Can you create a word problem to match a given addition or subtraction fact? Let's try it. Example. 4 small pencils plus 3 big pencils. Then how many pencils are there? Verbal problem. There are 4 small pencils and 3 big pencils in my bag. How many pencils do I have? Example. 10 toffees minus 2 toffees. Then how many toffees are left? Verbal problem. I bought 10 toffees. I ate up 2. How many toffees are left?